Asoleyo decorative solar tiles. Solar panels are ugly. According to recent studies, solar panels' appearance is a major factor that slows adoption in residential, commercial, and other fashion-conscious development projects. To increase photovoltaic's popularity in these high-visibility areas, solar cells should be available as an attractive exterior material that architects and designers can use to create beautiful custom surfaces that harness the sun's energy. Asoleyo will bring an artist's touch to solar cell design and rethink the monotonous, rectangular grid that is visible on the surface of most solar cells, and will do it using established manufacturing equipment and materials at a similar cost to standard solar cells. Asoleyo's solar tiles would be combined in varied sequences and orientations to create intricate large-scale patterns similar to those made with ceramic tiles. These solar mosaics could be installed in high-visibility areas, not just on roofs, but in front yards, back gardens, public parks, and as a conspicuous element of building facades. Asoleyo decorative solar tiles.